Come test drive the 2020 Gladiator. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, power steering, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, too. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.